Samsung new foldable hinge might look nicer, but it probably won't have a longer lifespan. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, we have a good news to believe that Samsung will put a new kind of hinge in its next flagship foldable. A South Korean publication, the Alec, report that Samsung has started reliability testing of the new water drop style hinge for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. The new hinge design would make the foldable phone thinner and help reduce the appearance of the crease with the main screen unfolded. But according to this report, Samsung is testing the hinge to withstand a 200,000 folds like the last one, which falls short of longevity claim from recent competitors like the Honor Magic Vs and the Oppo Find N2, both rated to 400,000 folds. The Alec report does mention that the hinge would be tested to a maximum limit of 300,000 folds, but 200,000 folds seems to be the main bar that this design needs to clear. After folding 200,000 times, which takes 4 to 5 days, the hinge needs to maintain at least 85% of its original strength. That test in theory represents about 5 years of daily use if you open the phone a little more than 100 times per day. The Magic VS and Find N2, on the other hand, would last for around 10 years, which is roughly an entirety in the consumer electronics years. Samsung new hinge design for Z Fold 5 is known as a water drop hinge. Instead of folding the screen at a tight radius, the screen flexes inwards as the phone is closed. This provides multiple benefits, including a less noticeable crease on the display as well as no gap when the phone is folded. This new design also leads to a thinner phone, with this report claiming the Fold 5 will be 14mm or less in thickness, down from the maximum 15.8mm on the Fold 4. That's roughly in line with another recent report. In fairness to Samsung, the Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4 boost IPX8 water resistant rating. Neither the Find 2 nor the Magic VS has the IP rating of any kind. Still, we are hoping to see Samsung pushing the limits of its folding device a little further this year. It has been basically running unopposed for Foldable of the Year the past couple of years in the US, where the competition is squarey. With more competitors coming this year, it would be nicer if Samsung felt a little bit more pressure to innovate. And you guys, fingers are crossed right now for the bigger cover screen and the better camera. So what are your thoughts on the Samsung upcoming hinge? Will it be more reliable than any other in the market share? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Here are some other videos of the S23 Ultra. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.